Anyway, hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 19. It is 19, right? The phone is literally in my pocket. Yes, 19. So, intro not even gonna be long because all I'm here to say is that I'm getting 40 rounds done today. Again, I have to cook today, but I'm not gonna let that stop me from my goal, okay? Because we're almost done. I only have 7 more inches to knit. That's nothing because I knitted 6 yesterday. I was gonna say 7. I have a total of 7, but I knitted 6 yesterday alone. So it's 8:13 right now. I'm starting early. This is still long. Okay, anyway, I reset it. My progress keeper, I keep calling this a stitch marker. I use these as stitch markers, but like they're progress keepers actually. Anyway, I reset it. It was, you know, down here before because I did a lot yesterday. But yeah, when this video is over, a lot's gonna be done. So it's like this right now. It's right here. And I will literally basically be done by today. You heard it here first, folks. I have nothing else to say now. I know I said this was gonna be short, but you know, sometimes I lie. But let's get it. Okay guys,
so when I was
I finished the 40 rounds like I said, but it's literally just 3:45, so I have so much time, and I have 2 more inches to go before the ribbing, so I'm just gonna maybe do like 10 more rounds, or maybe 20. It depends on like what makes up 2 inches, since it's still early. And yeah, but this is how much I got so far from this stitch marker all the way down. And now I'm about to do 10 more rows and then see where I am after that. So let's go. Okay guys, so I did the extra 5 rows. I mean, I did 55 total. I said I was gonna do 50, but anyway, I ended up doing 55, and this is how the sleeve looks. And so literally I'm going to try and finish this sleeve tonight. I probably won't. No, I don't know. If I don't finish it tonight, you guys will see the rest of it tomorrow, but I'm really not even sure I'll even like record. Honestly, tomorrow I'll probably just show you guys the end result, and then I will show you guys the yarn I'll be using for my next project, and then that'll be that, because honestly, who even cares to see me do the ribbing? Because literally that's it. I'm gonna decrease and then start on the ribbing, and that's it. So there's really nothing else to see. So I'm gonna finish that tonight or early tomorrow morning, but by the time Vlogmas day 20 comes around, I will be showing you guys the end result. And now I'm going to move on to the advent, but I'll be doing it with my sisters this time, because Keela told me that she was doing it with Kalila, so I was like, what? But she offered to do it with me this time. Yeah, so we're gonna do it together, but I have to wait. We have to wait for her to update her people, so see you then. Okay, so this was I'm not going to show like all of it, because I really don't feel like taking all of them out. I'm tired of doing it. I'm tired of doing that. And the twins told me that, no, not the twins, Kahila told me that her and Kalila weren't showing you guys all the yarn anyway for like the past 2 days. So this was the day before. I just wanted to show you guys the day before so you remember a little bit. But this was day 18, and now I'm going to show, or we're gonna show you guys day, is that 19?
No.
Oh, sorry. And now we're gonna show you guys day 19.
You guys are ready? Oh, and Kahila closes her eyes. Do you close your eyes too?
Close my eyes for what? Oh yeah, sometimes, yeah, I dig in it. Okay, day 19, guys.
What did you say, day 18?
Day 19. Hold on, I'm still peeling.
So slow. Oh, you make sure the numbers are that?
I mean, yeah, I tried, but I butchered this one. Okay.
Ready?
And yeah, okay, I have it.
I have it on already. Are you looking? No. Okay. We're gonna count to 3.
Okay. And open our eyes?
Yeah. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
What?
Okay.
I get it. There were blue speckles in yesterday's on.
I mean, yeah,
one blue
but
speckle right here.
Like I just
one. Yeah, it's just
look at ours.
What?
You have no blue.
I have like no pink. And look,
I have a
this
lot
is
of
Malika's
pink.
own. This is mine. I don't have a lot of pink. And this is Kahila's own.
Mine is like,
wow. Dude,
pink.
Ours looks so different.
That's why I wanted us to open at the same time, because that's so cool.
Okay, guys, this is mine, this is Kalila's, and this is Kahila's. So we all have
I literally have one thing
different colors. Like, that's crazy.
Like, she barely has any speckle.
Yeah.
That's so cool. No more green.
This is how it looks.
This is so soft. Like, look at this. This is pink and white. So I guess I feel like we're gonna get a dramatic color tomorrow with this pink.
Yeah.
Because that's what usually happens when the base starts looking more white. So we shall see. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for chilling with me. Hello. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell because it will notify you whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog.
Bye. She does not even say bye. But anyway, that is all for this video. There's really nothing else to show you guys because usually I would show you guys the transition, but since I'm not showing that, there's really nothing else to say. So thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you be notified whenever I post another video, which will be tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.